Hello YouTube, I'm that odd kid from school, and today I will be showing you this barrel modification I did to my mp5k. So all I did was take the barrel from a AKS 74U and install it in the mp5k hub-up chamber, and then I put an M4 style cylinder in there so that it would have enough air to push the BB all the way out the barrel. So, as you just saw, this thing fires at approximately 105 meters per second, which is in the 350 FPS range. So that's pretty good. In the chrono test, I was using 0.2 gram Devil Blaster BBs. Thanks for watching.